Here we are 176, 7 years later, and Pākehā people still can't pronounce our names.
You know, our country was built on this myth that we're this egalitarian ideal. And sure, maybe if you're in New Zealand, you're exposed to the same opportunities, but somehow it doesn't end up that way.
A cornerstone of Pākehā national identity is the notion that our natives were treated so much better than Indigenous peoples elsewhere. And of course it doesn't accord with the reality.
This was really put into the forefront for me in 2006 when I travelled through the outback of Australia for 2 months making a TV show. And we stayed on a cattle farm where the guy goes, come down, look at my cells, mate. We go down there and he goes, these are the cells I keep my Aborigine in, mate. And he goes, look at your face, don't worry, haven't used them since 82. You know, and I'm going, what? You know, 82 was like yesterday, mate.
Today, few would argue, or few would continue to sustain the idea that New Zealand has the greatest race relations in the world, or that there haven't been problems. So I think that kind of myth has been largely put to bed.
And I think that the reason why Pākehā people mispronounce the Māori language is because they totally disrespect us. Otherwise they would pronounce it correctly. If they respected us, they would. And after, 6, 7 generations, we still can't get that respect. That's a real problem.